Hello guys, you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Facebook back button not working on Android. So if you're having a problem with your Facebook back button, this is how to fix it. First of all, just go to your phone, then after that you go to your settings. So you tap on the settings. So when you tap on the settings, what you have to do next is to search for apps and management or app management. So when you tap on it, then you tap on app settings. After that, just scroll and search for Facebook. So when you find Facebook, just tap on it. When you tap on it, what you have to do is to go to storage and cache. Then after that, you tap on clear cache. Then you tap on clear storage. After doing this, then you go back. So after that, what you have to do is to tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, just go back to your home screen and tap on Play Store. So when you tap on Play Store, it's going to open like this. Then you tap on the search bar at the top, then you search for Facebook. So when you type in Facebook, then you search for it. So when you see it, just tap on the Facebook button and update it. If you see update over here, just tap on it. When there is no update, just go back, restart your phone. So this is how to fix Facebook back button not working. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.